Recurring sprained ankle? Let's keep it from happening again. Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lin, sports physical therapist at Rehab and Revive. I've got a simple do-it-yourself exercise from the comfort of your own home. But first, please spend a few seconds to like our video, subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful in any way, please consider hitting the thanks button and donating. Also, our team has worked hard to bring online exercise programs to you. You can find the link to our Revive at Home programs below in the descriptions box. We appreciate your support. So why do your ankle sprains keep reoccurring? We've got lax ligaments, torn ligaments. We've got poor mechanics like the way you walk. We've got poor shoe wear like old shoes or wearing sandals and flip-flops all the time. So let's get right to the exercise. All right, so we're back. And so just to use my hands, we're gonna basically use our feet and you're not letting it go anywhere. This is something that maybe you're doing early on in your rehab or early on in your care after a sprained ankle. And you could always do this as a maintenance preventative thing if you've had chronic ankle sprain. So you wanna press your heels together like this or feet together. Then you're gonna go on top and press your top of your foot from going up, prevent it from going down. And then we're gonna cross our legs and go against each other. So it's going to look a lot like this. You're ideally holding this till the shakiness stops or 90 seconds. So I'm just basically going to hold on here and I'm just going to press the top here. So that's to work dorsiflexion muscles. Now, if it's shaking and stuff like that, you want to hold it till the shakiness stops. You can press as hard as you can tolerate or you can start light. That's okay. And then we're going to go dorsiflexion. So you want to point your foot down and you're going to point and you're going to push down against yourself. So you're actually kind of working out the other ankle too. So if you happen to have both ankles, you're actually getting the same exercise to the both sides. And then you can just press this way. That's to help this action. Press this way. And like I said, I'm just lifting it up to try to give you guys a little better view, but you can just leave your heels down. And if it's shaking, you want to hold that. And then this way is a little bit more different. You're just going to press against each other. So I'm just going that way. So we're just going to press. And then, so you're basically helping the capsules, the muscles get stronger in a sense. If the ligaments happen to be torn or lax, we're just trying to improve the integrity. Let us know your thoughts on our video and leave us some love or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.